In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where you can't move layers in GIMP. Let's start by opening GIMP and loading the project you're working on. If you already have it open, make sure the image window you want to work with is active, so your clicks and shortcuts apply to the right place. Next, confirm that the Move tool is selected. You can pick it from the toolbox or press the M key on your keyboard. If you're not sure which one it is, look for the icon with crossed arrows. Without the Move tool active, dragging on the canvas won't reposition your layer. With the Move tool selected, check the tool options, usually at the bottom of the toolbox. Set it to Pick a Layer or Guide. This tells GIMP to grab the layer you click on, rather than accidentally trying to move a selection or a path. If this option isn't set, it's easy to feel like nothing is moving when GIMP is actually trying to move something else. Now, look at the Layers panel and see if the layer you want to move is locked. If you see a lock icon that looks active, click it to unlock. In particular, a lock on position and size will prevent any movement. Once unlocked, try dragging again on the canvas. If that doesn't work, check whether you're on a floating selection. You'll see it labeled clearly in the Layers panel. A floating selection must be anchored before you can move layers normally. Click the Anchor button in the Layers panel to commit it to the target layer. Then try moving again. Make sure the layer is visible. If the eye icon is turned off, the layer won't show, and it might seem like it isn't moving even though it is. Turn the eye icon on so you can see the change as you drag. Also verify you're on the correct layer in the Layers panel. The highlighted layer is the one that will move. It's easy to select the wrong one in complex projects, so take a second to click the intended layer's thumbnail before you drag. If the layer still won't budge, reselect the Move tool from the menus by going to Tools, then Transform Tools, then Move, and try again. This can reset your focus back to the correct tool, especially if another tool was partially active. Keep the Pick a Layer or Guide option enabled and test the drag on the canvas. And that's it. That's how you fix the issue when you can't move layers in GIMP. Thanks for watching.